What's up, guys? Tifa here, and this is the review of the new Infinix S5 Lite. It's actually my brother's phone, and we are coming from the church, and I asked him, "Why not? Should I review your phone?" And he took a thought, and I was like, "Bro, I just need to review your phone, not to read your WhatsApp messages." He's very secretive about that. He's the guy behind the camera, the guy behind my phone, though. So this is the review of the new Infinix S5 Lite. Let's get into it. From the looks of this particular phone, I got a test. Its appearance kind of looks like or looks like a flagship phones, especially on its display. It has got a 6.6-inch or infinity display, and the back of this particular phone, when you look at it, kind of looks like a glass back, like those premium flagship phones. But when you look closely at this back of this phone, it's a clear plastic. But all in all, the display of this particular phone actually stands out. It has a huge chin, which is actually noticeable at the bottom, and also it has got quite small bezels on the sides and at the top of this phone. Despite this phone being very cheap phone, actually it comes with three cameras. The main camera is actually 16 megapixel, 2 megapixel wide angle camera, and a QVGA camera. And the photos of this camera, they are actually very clear, perfect for your social media post. The selfie camera has got 16 megapixel, for those perfect, selfie pictures. And also it takes quite good videos at 1080p up to 30 FPS. Furthermore, it has got, not the latest Android, but it has got Android 9 Pie, but you can actually upgrade it to the newest or the latest Android 10. On the other hand, it's quite fast because it has got 3 gigs of RAM and that 2 GB of storage. 3 gigs of RAM will make this phone quite fast, but not that fast. But all in all, it will absolutely cater for all your needs. And also, this phone it's 4G network. My last take on about this phone is that it's a satisfactory phone, and it's very cheap. Keep in mind it gives you 6.6-inch or infinity display, three cameras at the back, 16 megapixel selfie camera. I think this is a phone that you can afford to buy. So I would recommend you to go and get it. So that has been the review of the Infinix S5 Lite. So show me or tell me what I should improve, or comment about this video, like and dislike, and the most important, subscribe. So subscribe. As always, the future awaits everyone. Peace.